Hi, I'm Anders Paulsen, Director of User Experience at Acro. In this next portion of our project planning series, we'll continue with project strategy, taking a closer look at the technical architecture. Also known as the TA, this document is created and presented by the team's software architect. The TA provides a system blueprint of the arrangement, interaction, and interdependence of all software elements. Every project is unique and requires its own documentation to ensure that all team members have a shared understanding of its foundation. Within the TA, we'll capture technical details in an approachable way, covering documentation for a variety of software components and including detailed descriptions of our process and solutions that we believe will best fit your goals. With every project being unique, TA contents will vary, but will often cover the following. A systems overview provides a high-level view of the project systems, which includes a visual representation of the technical architecture. Data models describe how an existing site will translate into a new site structure. Workflows represent the paths users will take within an application to achieve a certain outcome. Custom functionality is defined for any features that are not covered by existing models or templates. Roles and permissions describe the various user types and permissions required for interacting with the site. A migration plan is created for instances where data will move from one place to another. For example, migrating from an old site to a new build, or between existing systems. Commerce solutions are documented for all major functionality of commerce flow or setup, identifying any non-standard functionality or flows. Emails and notifications detail communications that will be displayed and or sent within the system. An end-to-end testing plan identifies key flows and paths for testing. Search engine optimization outlines how tools will be set up to support SEO. Accessibility covers plans related to following best practices identified by WCAG standards. These guidelines are important for delivering an inclusive user experience. A performance plan is developed to identify a site's performance goals and to establish a plan for meeting those goals. A security plan is created to identify areas of concern and to outline plans for mitigating those concerns. As a dynamic, living document, the TA may be updated to reflect system changes that occur at any point during the project. Our goal is to provide maximum flexibility, ensuring you get exactly what you need from the experience and the end solution. Thanks for listening. Up next, prototyping.